Alright, for sliding on the, well, we got acoustic guitar here, the bigger the string is, the more difficult it's going to be to slide. So how much pressure to press down the string, and then when to stop to get the sound out. So, and that'll come with adjustment with the your fingers. The more that you play, the more you get used to it. Yeah, let me play along with the metronome here. Here we go. 3, 4. There we go. A little bit easier on the smaller strings. And let's go backwards now. So backwards, 2, 3, 4. And slide a couple frets before where I'm starting. Start a couple frets before you slide.